Welcome everybody. I'm going to shoot this one in 2.7K. It only does 30 frames per second, but we'll see what the resolution's like. We'll try to get a little better video quality here. So make this quick and sweet. First off, we'll get to the garage in a second. Roof trusses arrived not too long ago. Contractor was here, everything. So today is Thursday. They should be put up tomorrow. Got some copyright music in the background, so that's why I'm talking kind of loud and getting away from it. We've got this right here. Our shingles. We've got something awesome over here that also arrived. Probably put some background music over that and everything. I put it up, but like I said. Our mini split Pioneer setup right here. So we've got that ready to go. It smells like gasoline in here because this has a minor gas leak on the petcock. So joy. It's going to be a massively large video. Well, what is going on with the zipping? There we go. So our mini split arrived thanks to FedEx. Leave that open for a little bit. Go ahead and show you what's going on in here real quick. I've got all the power outlets. Asked for suggestions from some guys on Facebook and everything, and we've got that. So we've got outdoor outlet going in right here somewhere. We've got outlets going in 4 foot high here. We've got, I think he said maybe one down here we're gonna put. Mini split's gonna sit up here. So we gotta have an outlet for that somewhere. You mark, yep, right there for the mini split. More outlets going through here because I'm going to be doing the welding back here. So this is where I want stuff. We've got our mini split. We're gonna have the welding table right here, do some custom welding. I'm gonna put the air compressor in the corner and it's gonna have its own 220. They're both gonna be tied together on a 60 amp. So that's what's gonna happen there. Up here, we're gonna do a double gang for a TV, if I do a Chromecast for internet or whatever to watch TV, and my vintage stereo that I want because I absolutely love that stereo, my old Panasonic, loved the hell out of that thing. We're gonna have a workbench right here. All right, that's the goal. So workbench, toolbox, plausibly, big workbench, toolbox. Over here, we're gonna I'm gonna park. I got my motorcycle. Gonna be parking, so the motorcycle will be over here, and other little projects or whatever. Park the bike back, and stuff like that. So I'll have space to do stuff here. Is what the goal is. Keep it a little cluttery back here, but I don't want to clutter stuff like I did in the last garage where I had all my projects and fun back there, and I was worked all the way to here where I had nothing. Working up here forces me to keep it clutter-free. Try to attempt that. So that's what the goal is there. And then just standard outlets, a double gang right here because, plug a motorcycle in or whatever for winter time or something, and just outlets going all across the way. That's the goal for that. Light switches. We're going to have a light switch plus a fan on the door. So when you walk in, turn your lights on. Everything. I'm going to put a fan in here. I'm going to put shelving. If the camera goes up there, I'm going to put shelving, custom shelving up in the areas here. And I'm going to have those little rope lights, accent lights because I will. The goal for the floor, my dad and brother were given some wood flooring. And I figured, how about we put wood floors in here for free? Gonna give it to me. So, all right. So, we'll do that. It's going to be nice. It will be insulated. I asked them, I was going to do it, but I said, hell with it. What's it going to cost to have you guys do the insulation and stuff real quick and whatnot? So he's going to get an estimate on that real quick for me. But just have them do it because those guys are fantastic workers. They are pretty quick at that. So lots and lots going on. Look, 2x6 construction here. This is no joke. No joke whatsoever. Look at this header board. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. This could carry an engine if you really wanted it to. So Window will be installed. I figured I could weld right here. I could run a little test table right here at the window and put a ventilation thing in there. So when I'm running and testing an engine, it won't be the super long setup that I had on the workbench anymore. I'll just have a separate test and tune table that I could fold up from the wall and everything, make it real sturdy and bolt on and stuff, so I could just hook that up and have a very short duct system to go outside to run. So that'll be pretty nice to have. It's kind of the idea there. You got to have your, beer fridge right here somewhere. There's got to be a beer fridge. So yeah, got to have your cold snacks. So, I mean, like I say, I've been really thinking about this all week, and this is Thursday. I'm making this. I'm going to edit it tonight, upload it for you guys. Yeah, I'm stoked. I'm excited. I'd still rather have my old garage and all my contents back, though. But I will not be building I'd rather have all that, on all honesty. That was my 8-9 years of collecting. It really sucks to have lost all that still. It really does. But I will not be building a loft, because that became a massive catch-all. And I realized that. And I absolutely hated that fact and everything. And I was actually going to take that down, just put a small shelving and stuff, take it down, rebuild it, put shelves around and redo stuff. I don't want to have shelving from the ground up because that just eats up ground space when I've got plenty of up above to do stuff with. I mean, I'm 6 foot. That's 8 foot walls. All right, it's supposed to be, but that's up there. That's God's plenty to get there to put shelving around. But yeah, also got to have the electrical for the garage door. Forgot to bring that up, but you should know that. Everything. So lots and lots going on here. I've got a short day at work today and no work tomorrow. And everything, so really happy about how this is going and support from all you guys and whatnot. And like I say, Buck and Stock's coming up here real quick. I got a saw I did ship out to Bobby up in Wisconsin, the Super Pro 125 101B. Get that fully restored and painted by him. I've been wanting to have a saw done by him and everything. His work is absolutely immaculate. And he was the only guy that he could get to it soon enough that would be able to do it. He's not the only guy I would trust with it, but he can get it done pretty quick. So I am thrilled to have that get done and whatnot, and we can really start getting this thing loaded up with stuff. Like I said, I'm really psyched to be able to be able to get a decent welder here, a good size air compressor and whatnot, and not just me working here, but hopefully any of the buddies, at work or whatnot or something, we can get stuff fixed up and whatnot and everything and have a good time and whatnot, man cave and garage and stuff like that. So there's a lot, anticipation and whatnot on this one. Also talked about getting the house re-sided at the same time or here shortly. What the cost of that, he'll get the estimate on that, because if we're going to do the house and do the garage in a color, all right, well, we'll just do this house and get rid of this yellow color. This was just re-sided, brand new siding, but I had to do that to get through wintertime. It was melted and everything. I needed the protection. I know I got took on that part right there, but my hands were tied. So, all right, like I say, this is just a quick video. What's going on? Hopefully we'll be working on projects soon, like that awesome Fraser tiller over there, the motorcycle and stuff like that. Get the four-wheelers fuel system finished up and whatnot, and everything is just going to be ducky awesome. So, be doing a time lapse. I've been doing that of this and everything, and then after we do that, after it's completed, we'll do a full complete walkthrough video of stuff and everything. But said I am super psyched. I'm pretty sure once there's a roof over my head in this thing, I'm going to start working on something in here. You just watch. I can't resist. So, oh, we got a delivery truck here. So, is there? Or maybe he just drove by, hitting his brakes. Sounds about right. So, all right. I'm Cameron. I got to get on to work here. I just want to say thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We're going to be back on this Till then, thanks for watching.